All right, how are you?
Good.
4D radar, huh?
Yep, we are using 4D radar, as you can see here, and enhancing it with AI. Okay, so right now we are working on 3 different applications. The first one is healthcare monitoring, where we use information such as whether people fell, also their vital signs like heart rate and breath rate. So this application, we're aiming to use it for like sick people or old people who live alone. We use similar information in cabin monitoring, which is our second application. For this one, we also use AI to tell whether a person was detected as a person or an object, or if a person is a child or an adult. So we're using it for child presence detection, for example. Last but not least, we have our automotive application. As you can see here, we have availability aware sensor fusion. So we have camera, LiDAR, and radar. Traditionally, sensor fusion only works if all the inputs are working, but there are situations where one of them or 2 of them might not work. For example, if it's snowing too much, the camera is basically dysfunctional. You can see that the result here, where the yellow boxes are the detected objects, are still pretty robust, even if 1 or 2 of the sensors are not working here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah. So I'd love for you to take some pamphlets, and this is a developer cat who's working very hard.
Developer cat?
Yeah, it's like microfiber for like glass.
Okay. All right, thank you.
Yeah, of course. Have a great rest of your day.
All right.